So yan, lakas ng hangin and we are here at Toyota Pasig.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down.
Ikutan lang muna natin bago natin pasukin. So yan, ganda ng mags, two-tone, sporty design. So yeah, let's go in. So yun na nga, classic way. Parang pag nagto-turn over ako ng vehicle, simulan pa rin natin siya. Isa-isayin natin lahat na makikita natin. Down, up to the headliner. Okay, so let's begin guys. So ito pa rin ang classic is apat na control sa window. So itong A syempre dito sa driver side. So itong pag-discuss ko is very ideal para sa mga first time car owner. Pero yun na rin, para at least makita natin yung interior. So ito yung speaker nya, ganda. So ito, meron tayong cup holder pa rin dito. Then merong side, lagay ng basahan. And ito, analog type ang ating side mirror adjustment. So if you want to adjust the left, turn the cursor left. Then kung right, ito naman yung right. Yan. So example, itong left, up, down, left, right. Okay, nakuha nyo. So ito meron pa rin door, central lock and unlock, then lock window. Now going to here. So ito naman yung gas lever nya. Then this is the compartment. So yan, very ideal para pagpasok nyo na mall, yung makukulit na guard patingin po ng compartment. Ito na yon. Then here, ito naman po yung pang open ng hood. Traction. So yan, yung traction, very important yan. So ito, lagayan ng coins. Nakalagay ng plastic here. And yan, lagayan nyo ng coins or card or driver's license. Pwede nyo iwanan dyan para easy access. So yan, let's go inside, man. So let's begin here at the steering wheel. So yan, may tayong volume control here. Shortcut, volume up, volume down, skip. Ayan, pwede mo skip yan. Then ito mode. So itong mode, magsacycle ka here. Connected siya here pag binipindot mo tong mode. So nagsacycle siya, mag-iiba ka na FM or AM, Bluetooth. Ayan. So yan, beautiful emblem of Toyota. So yan pa rin yung busina. So ito, meron tayong quick access dito kung nakakonect yung phone natin dito sa Bluetooth. So pwede natin sagutin yung call or i-hang up yung call. Yan. So ingat lang kasi pag sinagot nyo yan, minsan maririnig lahat ng kasamahan nyo. Yung kasama mo dito sa loob ng vehicle, marinig nila yung pinag-uusapan nyo. So syempre baka mamaya private yung kailangan nyo pag-usapan. So nasa sa inyo kung sasagutin nyo yan, call. So yan, at least may shortcut here. So yan, maganda rin yung design ng steering wheel. Nice. Okay, so ito naman, may reflection tayo. Yan. So ito yung control natin for the thermostat. Yan. So you can set it high. So rotary siya. So classic. Then this one is the blower. Yan. So hanggang 4 ang maximum blower nya. Then here is yung flow ng hangin. So yan. Pwede siyang sa mukha lang or pati sa feet. Yan. At least Kung gusto nyo yung aircon lumubugad din dito sa paanan, so yan, maganda. Kayo bahala mag-decide yan kung anong preference nyo. So this button is the classic. So yung airflow to sa loob or intake. So kapag may dumaan na truck ng basura sa labas at ito ay naka-off, so papasok yung amoy ng basura sa labas or truck ng baboy. So yan lang naman, depende pa rin sa preference nyo kung i-on or off nyo yan. So ito, hazard pa din. Then this one is the defogger. So itong defogger na to, huwag nyo iwanan yan nakabukas kasi possible masunog yung tint nyo sa likuran. So ayan, nakita nyo naman ang likod. Hindi masyadong kita yung defogger na heater. So purpose lang naman yan is para mawala yung fog sa likod. So here meron tayong dalawang cup holder here. Yan. And ito, by the way, yung steering wheel, tinatanggal lang tong knob kasi may mga incident minsan na nananakaw siya. So right now, habang naka-display yung showroom, is tinatanggal lang muna yung knob para hindi manakaw. Okay, so this one, classic, park here, park, reverse, neutral, and Tiptronic plus minus. So you can use this plus minus kapag pataas kayo. Yan. So kunyari nami-miss niyo yung manual mode, you can switch on to this. By the way, pagbaba niyan dito, hatakin mo yan pakaliwa para ma-reach tong plus minus. And going after the shift knob is the handbrake. Classic, very classic handbrake. So napakaganda nito, handbrake na to. Napaka boring tignan pero snap and go ka dito. Snap and stop, sorry. So ang advantage nito, minsan may masasabi sila na electronic na ngayon eh. Pero kasi advantage nito, you don't have to look at this panel para ma-engage yung handbrake. You just have to grab this habang nakafocus ka sa street. Yan. Grab this and lift. So yan. And dito naman may additional power. Yan. Alam niyo maganda to kaysa dun sa direct switch kasi pwede kang magkabit dito na extension. So meron mga nabibili niyan, pagkabit mo dito, meron siyang mas maraming port ng USB. And pwede niyo kabit dito yung air compressor. Yan. So by the way, sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng air compressor, may mga portable air compressor diyan. Para just in case you're into a long drive. So kapag na feel nyo na medyo malambot pala yung gulong nyo, is pwede nyong mag-pump ng air here. Okay. So here, classic pa rin, armrest, merong additional storage. Yan. So you can see the depth. Yan. Okay. Here, teka, let me check. Okay, wala na sa likod. So dito is the classic glove compartment. Yeah. Yan, okay. Yan. So that's it. Aircon vent. And another cup holder here at the passenger side. First row. Yan. And meron isa pang speaker here. So yan. Going tayo sa headliner. Op. So yan. Meron pa ring mirror tong driver side. At least yung iba kasing vehicle walang mirror dito sa driver side. At least pwede pa natin ma-check bago natin sunduin yung nililigawan natin. So here naman is the off and door button. And this one, ito, tatlo yung option niya, off, door, and lit. So ayan, push siya. Ayan. Sorry, hindi pala nakafocus yung camera. So yan. Okay, so tatlong function. And let's check here kung, ayun, meron din para kay Mrs. Yan. Usually yan, habang nagme-makeup si Mrs., nakaharang siya sa side mirror. So that's it. Yan yung headliner natin. Nice. So by the way, ang Vios is classic pa rin, is 1.3 engine. Okay. So let's take another look at the dashboard. Yan. Ganda. Very nice. So, punta na tayo sa likod, guys. And napakainit. It's 4 o'clock. Nakatutok dito ang araw. Yeah. So, ito papunta tayo sa second row. So, yan. Meron tayong window, door, lock, handle, and lagayan ng drinks and basahan. Speaker, meron pa rin speaker dito. Usually at the same side, meron din. And this is how it looks sa second row. Teka, upo ako para ma-visualize nyo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Here. So, pakita ko sa inyo ito. Malaki pa yung headroom ko. Yan. So, actually, hindi naman masusukat to, pero malaki pa. So, 5'6" ako. Yan pa ang headroom ko. Okay. Nice. Yeah. So, we're here in the second row. So, yeah, by the way, in-adjust ko tong front seat sa pinaka-komportableng driving position ko. So, given that, still, dito, ang laki pa ng legroom. Yan So, this is just an example. Kung 5'6" yung nagda-drive, then, here, sa second row, ang luwag pa. See? Yan, ang luwag pa niyan. Okay. So, huwag nyo isipin na masikip to. Yeah. So, yan, meron pa rin ilaw tayo dito sa center. And, nothing much. Ito. May lagayan dito ng mga folders nyo, documents, and that's it. So, let's check the compartment. So, as I mentioned, habang nasa front row is meron tayong lever at the driver's side para ma-open tong compartment. So, yan. Very wide, maluwag naman tong compartment natin. Maganda. So, yan ang loob niya. That's how it looks. And ito yung spare tire niya. So, wow Mugs din yung spare tire niya. Very nice. Yan. So, by the way, ito yung isang susi niya. This is how it looks. You see it, yeah. So, by the way, meron tong remote key hindi lang ito manual So, actually ito lang kasi available na key niya in showroom. Pero yung mga remote function niya, meron din naman to. Okay. Meron tong backing camera. You never have to worry na magpalagay ng backing camera. So, yan. Integrated na siya. And, meron din backing sensor. Actually, dati, kahit backing sensor lang, okay ka na So, ito, dinoble na. May camera ka na, may sensor ka pa. Very nice. Yeah. So, anong mag size niya is, let's see. 15. Yan, ang size ng mugs niya is 15. Mga hindi marunong tignan kung anong size ng mugs is here. Pag nakita nyo yung letter R, may nakadikit dyan na 15. So, it means yan yung mug size niya, 15. So, drum brakes ang likod nito, Drum brakes. Front, usually talaga disc brake. So, yan, for Vios XLE, meron tayong fog lights. Then, at the side, meron tayong turning signal light. So, that's it about the Vios XLE. Napakaganda. Napaka-affordable. Yan. Meron tayong trade-in dito, All brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. So yung proseso natin for trading is very ideal is dalhin nyo na lang yung sasakyan dito. Kasi by that way, mapa-final yung appraisal value ng sasakyan nyo. Actually, pwede naman kayo bigyan ng quick appraisal, pero that's not the final, of course. Ang final will be is dalhin nyo yung sasakyan nyo dito. Kung mag-agree kayo, then that's it. Pwede nyo gamitin pang full down yung vehicle nyo. So wala na kayo i-cash out. Just like yung trade-in ko last 2 months ago, and wala na silang cash out. By the way, same day swapping yan. So hindi ka mawawalan ng sasakyan just in case yung sasakyan mo na ginagamit mo isa is yun ang iti-trade-in mo dito. So yun, same day swapping and hassle free, no worry, because wala ka na isipin, turnover mo lang yung vehicle mo and dealer na bahala. Closing na kami and
nag-North kami?
yan, sinasara na yung mga vehicle. So ito yung pinaka-pogi naming MP dito. Yan. Bigay ko yung number niya sa inyo. And
what is up, my bro? Bakit ka nga pala napunta?
ciao!